Welcome to class. Disclaimer. I'm so sorry about this, but after working all afternoon filming, I got home only to realize that the sound for all my video clips was terrible. After much detective work, it appears that I had left my headphones on in my bag, and they were somehow picking up the sound of my voice from a very far distance. Thank you for watching anyway, if you end up staying.
Vegan dogs are healthy, vegan dogs are happy, vegan dogs can thrive. Vegan dogs are healthy, vegan dogs are happy, so why pay for murder? Keep all the animals alive. I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food. I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food.
Hi. So I'm not going to respond to you, but I'll respond to everybody else because a lot of people don't know what vegan phobia is. So vegan phobia is very similar to homophobia or racism. It's deliberately being mean to animal rights activists who are born vegan. Now, actually, everybody is born vegan because when we're born, we're little, we never wanted to hurt animals. And vegans have tapped into that and returned to their roots. Just like somebody is born gay and then they realize later on that they're gay, doesn't mean that we should be mean to them. Animal rights activists are here for the right reason. They just don't want to hurt animals. So why on earth would anybody want to deliberately be mean to people who are trying to save the lives of others? Would you be mean to us if we were trying to save the lives of gay people or save the lives of dark-skinned people? Of course not. So why would anybody want to be vegan phobic? I don't know.
End speciesism, end speciesism, end speciesism, be kind to the animals. End vegan phobia, end vegan phobia, end vegan phobia, be kind to the activists. Dance if you're vegan, hands up if you're vegan. Think you can't do it? Try it, you can. Yeah!
Run, run, run from humans. They're trying to stab you. They're trying to murder you, to call you bacon and burn you in a frying pan.
Animals are innocent, like children. They need protection. Save them now, save them now. Animals are innocent, like children. They need protection. Save them now, save them now.
Hi. Thank you for being here. And I really like your question. And I'm very happy that you're a kid and who's here trying to learn. You're a lot smarter than many adults who refuse to learn. So before I even begin, I want to suggest that you go to a site called petakids.org. PETA Kids, P-E-T-A, and then kids.org. Because you're going to learn everything you need to know there, and it's going to be done in a fashion that is good for kids, with like, little drawings and things that aren't traumatic. But since you asked, in a nutshell, to get milk, males are touched inappropriately and their sperm is forced from them. It is then forced into a female. Unfortunately, that's called rape or sexual assault. And I don't know about you, but I wouldn't want anyone to pin me down and touch me if I didn't want to be touched. After that, when the babies are born, if they're male, they take them away and they kill them because they'll never be able to produce milk. So they're considered to be useless in the industry. I guess you're referring to Ryan Sutherland. Well, he's not actually my son. Ryan Sutherland is somebody who is quite cruel, actually. At first, we were playing around, doing videos back and forth, and yesterday I actually did a big video about him on my YouTube channel. So if you want to see more, you can go to That Vegan Teacher over on YouTube. But essentially what Ryan is doing is he is encouraging people to keep eating animal products, and that is just so wrong on so many levels. Because he has a lot of young kids who are watching him. And if they see him eating ice cream and not the vegan version, then they'll run out and do the same. If they see him making fun of vegans and being vegan phobic, then they will do the same. So what I've told Ryan is that I don't want to play games with him anymore. I've asked him to be vegan. I've asked him to start posting vegan content and to stop eating animals on his channel. And I think he's a big enough boy to do that. I think he could be a kind man, but he needs a little encouragement from you. Hi there. Okay, so it sounds like you're really upset because I took Ryan out of my will. So after I die, he won't get any money. Well, first of all, remember that we've clarified that he's not actually my son. However, I did say something to him on my YouTube channel. If you want to go and watch it, That Vegan Teacher YouTube, I did say yesterday on my channel that I was open to him changing his attitude. And I said that if he became vegan and he started acting like a son, like, in other words, promoting my videos and being sweet and kind and telling people not to eat animals or their secretions, to not steal eggs from them, and asking them to please not buy things made out of leather and things like that, I said that I would be happy to put him into my will. So we're going to have to see what Ryan decides to do. But thank you for caring, and let him know.
Dance with me, baby. A vegan world is coming. A vegan world is coming soon. Dance with me, baby. A vegan world is coming. A vegan world is coming soon.
Yeah, I also heard that the earth is flat. And someone else told me that unicorns exist. And that Santa's real. Yeah. Who do you think would make up a silly lie like that? Just try to guess. Well, the meat industry, and the dairy industry, and the egg industry, they all want you to buy their products, right? So, do you think it would make sense for them to make up a lie like that so that you would continue to buy their products? There's an expression that says always follow the money. So if you want to know if something's a lie or not, just see if there's anybody who's making up that lie who gets money for making up that lie. Being vegan is extremely healthy. There's vegans in the Olympics.
Tofu scramble, it's so easy to do, woo-hoo. Eating eggs is so last century, nobody needs to, so here's what you do. Mash tofu, green onions, and celery in a pan, add black salt, turmeric, and spices, yes you can. Mix in some vegan mayo, mix in some vegan mayo, now mix in a salty pickle, yeah, that's the way to go, oh, ooh. Tofu scramble, it's so easy to do, woo-hoo. Learn how to make it, cause saving animals will make them happy and will make you happy too. The egg industry's just a cycle of misery. Let's make the animal holocaust history. The egg industry's just a cycle of misery. Let's make the animal holocaust history. Tofu scramble, it's so easy to do, woo-hoo. Learn how to make it, cause saving animals will make them happy and will make you happy too.
Hi. Yeah, a lot of people use that excuse. But look a little bit deeper. First of all, did you find yourself a vegan doctor? Because vegan doctors are pretty determined to help their patients, whereas doctors who eat animals are kind of not as motivated. You know, in the olden days, doctors used to smoke cigarettes. And guess which doctors continued to encourage their patients to smoke cigarettes? That's right, the ones who were smoking them themselves. Meanwhile, all the other doctors knew, maybe that's not such a good thing to do. So find yourself a good vegan doctor who will be motivated to help you. And find yourself a vegan dietitian and surround yourself in vegan Facebook groups and other vegans on this app, on YouTube, everywhere. You'll find a way.
Go vegan. This is an animal who didn't want to die. This is vegan food, you should give it a try. This was someone's baby that should make you cry. This is vegan food, it should make you smile. It's something you should buy.
Jeffrey Dahmer is somebody who hurt a lot of people unnecessarily, and he ate some of them. So I ask you, what is the difference between the rest of the humans on this earth who deliberately hurt the innocent and eat them when there are so many other choices? Jeffrey Dahmer was a sick individual, extremely cruel. But why are other people cruel? Why do people eat cows or cats? Or dogs or pigs? They've just been accustomed to it. But you can change. You can be better. You can be vegan and you can help teach people the truth. Have you seen the documentary called Earthlings yet? Earthlings, it's on YouTube. Go and watch it. And come back and tell me what you saw.
We say we love animals, yet we hurt them in every way imaginable. We shoot them, we beat them, we skin them, we wear them, we dominate them, we mutilate them, we cut off their skin, we betray them, we choke them, we force feed them, we burn them, we bite and swallow them, we fire guns at them, though they've committed no crimes. We cut off their heads, we kidnap them and trample on their rights. We destroy rainforests to feed them, just so we can eat them. We experiment on them, we spray poisons on them, we radiate them. And all of this karma comes back to us, until we declare, I'll be vegan from now on. If you find value in my work, subscribe and press the notification bell and help me get the animals out of hell. Thank you.